Let me share with you some tips and tricks for cleaning the charging port or the USB-C port on a Realme 14T with household items. So before you actually start cleaning the port, you want to power off your phone. This is definitely recommended to do so in order to avoid causing some damage while the phone is on. You can also use a flashlight in order to, of course, look inside the port in order to check for lint, dust, or debris. You can gently insert a toothpick, like a wooden toothpick or wooden or bamboo skewer, and you can carefully scrape out any visible lint or dirt. However, you don't want to push too deep and you just want to scrape out the surface. You can brush lightly using a soft or also dry, well, soft and dry toothbrush to loosen and remove more dirt from the port. If you have compressed air, then that's a great addition, and you can use it. You can give a few short bursts while holding the can upright. And optionally, you can also lightly dampen a cotton swab or Q-tip with isopropyl alcohol, which has at least 70%. Squeeze out the excess and gently clean inside the port, and remember to let it air dry before turning the phone back on. It is important to remember that you should not use any metal objects like paper clips, needles, and pins. Definitely do not use any water. Avoid blowing into the port with your mouth because it adds moisture, and do not use too much force while inserting anything into the port because obviously we can damage the port completely. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.